Yeah.
What's the average price of real estate in your area?
Right now it's pretty much between 120 and 150 is what like reasonably like livable homes are going for.
Okay, and when you get this property, you're gonna follow my method or the Dave Ramsey method?
Most likely your method because of it just. I mean, I like Ramsey's method also, but I feel like your method is a little more like it just sounds more realistic for an average person than.
The truth is, right, my method is almost very similar to Dave Ramsey's method, right? Because what I follow is the 33% rule. So that means the home you buy cannot be more than 33% of your monthly expenses, including the mortgage, the insurance, taxes, and also maintenance on a 15-year mortgage. So if you can tell me, for example, I don't know exactly what the numbers are here, but I'm pretty sure, for example, let's just do some quick math here on my calculator. 1,500 multiplied by 0.33, that's $495 that your mortgage, maintenance, taxes, and insurance have to add up for so it can actually be within your budget on a 15-year mortgage. Now, I'm not sure if that is that. Okay, so basically, you got to do the math yourself. So you got to figure out if
that actually sounds about right because I was looking for homes and doing all that myself. That sounds pretty correct.
Yeah, so if you can make that happen, then great. However, here's one big objection that I have right now. First, you're 20 years old. You have 15K saved up that you've managed to save up by working since you were 13 years old. Don't forget about that part. It's been like almost like, because if you say like, oh, Tommy, I'm 20 and I started working at 18, I have 20,000. It's not that big of a difference. We're talking about 13 to 20. That's 7 years of saving money, right? It's a long time. And you have your emergency fund, which is great. I like that. And you're also investing, which is great. I like that. However, the main concern is basically, I would be worried about buying a home right now. Well, how much money do you pay in rent right now?
I don't pay any rent right now. I just live with my grandparents.
Yeah, you need to chill, bro. So if you're living with your parents, you're with your grandparents, take this time right now to use the money you have to upgrade your skills. So if you can go, for example, from making $1,500 a month to making, for example, $4,000 a month, it's just a different conversation.
Right.
So your biggest return on what you're gonna do is move out from your grandparents' house at age 20 to go add another expense to yourself for the next 15 years, and eventually it'll pay off because owning is better than renting over the long term. But for this short-term period right now, it's just gonna cost you extra money, and you still have the same exact job that's not paying you enough money. And if you choose to go to college, well, now that's an extra expense on top of the house. You're just gonna add to yourself extra stress. Does that make sense?
You've got to stop.